Well, we'll eventually notice those temperatures warming up into the 30s for many locations. I know that's on the colder side, but it's a drastic change from yesterday, not only in the temperature department, but also that we're seeing that sunshine out there. Yesterday morning, we were tracking the fog and then the rain, and then that rain changed over to snow. And some of the higher snowfall totals were into central Mass, talking Royalston, 3.5. Bedford saw 1.7 inches of snow there. Worcester Airport registered an 1.5 inches. Meanwhile, Boston Logan Airport only saw 0.2 of an inch of snowfall, just because we did see mainly heavy rain for much of the day before that cold air pushed in. Those temperatures took a tumble, and we're still quite cold out there. That system that did push through yesterday is well off towards our north and east now, but we're still dealing with some blustery winds, and that wind making it feel even colder than these actual air temperatures. Here's a view of the current temperatures at this hour. 23 in Fitchburg, 26 right now in Boston, still stuck into the upper 20s for the Cape and the Islands. So everyone is below the freezing mark right now. And just how much of a difference is it compared to yesterday? Well, we're running at least 15, even closer to 25 degrees lower than we were yesterday morning at this time. So you can notice it with the temperatures, and you can also notice it with the winds as well. Those winds mainly out of the west northwest, between 15 and closer to 25 miles per hour. Sustained winds. Do see a few gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour still. The strongest gusts are being felt out towards the outer Cape and the islands, still close to the 40 mile per hour range, but we're at least below that at this point in time. But those wind chills, when you factor in the winds, it actually feels like it's about 10 degrees in Fitchburg. It feels like it's just 6 in Worcester. 12 is what it feels like right now in Boston. So please make sure to bundle up. Don't forget the sunglasses. It is sun-filled out there. We'll see a few clouds here and there developing, and through the rest of the day today, we'll see those high temperatures varying into mid to even upper 30s. And just a reminder, just because of daylight saving time, 6 p.m., it will still be bright out, because by 6:48, that is our new sunset time for the day today. Later on tonight, we'll see a few clouds here and there, but then by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, mainly clear, temperatures starting off low to mid 30s. Eventually, we see those temperatures bounce back into low 50s tomorrow afternoon. So that'll also be yet another drastic change from today to tomorrow. And not only that, tomorrow, not nearly as windy as the day today. In terms of those wind chills through the afternoon, likely feeling like it's into the upper 20s by about 2 p.m. Feeling like it's 30 around 4 p.m. So yes, the winds will weaken through the afternoon, thankfully. And we'll just see a few more extra clouds emerging by about 6 p.m. Now, the next 3 days, we go from the 30s today, 50s tomorrow, and we continue that warm up into Tuesday back into the upper 50s with some increasing clouds and a chance for a night shower as the system passes off towards our north. Otherwise, mainly dry in terms of that 7-day forecast. It is a touch cooler on Wednesday after Tuesday's warmth, but then we bounce back to around 60 on Thursday, just in time for St. Patrick's Day. Another 60-degree day on Friday before we fall back into the mid-50s next Saturday under mainly cloudy skies and a chance for a few showers.